All right, I'm going to continue my detailing. I noticed that my topo surface has disappeared here in this view. I'm going to check behind the curtain here, and I don't see that the category or element has been turned off, so I think I've accidentally deleted my topo surface somewhere. I'm going to go up to View, Visibility, Graphics, Overrides, and see Save Project, sure, and see if my topo surface has been turned off. No, it hasn't. It's all turned on other than the triangulation lines, which I don't need. So it appears I've inadvertently deleted my topo surface. So I'm going to have to come back and fix that in a different lesson. I want to continue right along here in our section. So let's go back here to my section 1. Okay, now we've got our beam in there, and we can align to this here. And then we have our 1 by 14. Let's bring that in. I know I did the one in the other direction. Not sure if I did this one. Let's go back. Grab that 1 by 14. Place it in there. Escape, escape. Okay. So that is working out good. Now we want to drop in a joist. Okay, so we want to put some joists in here. So these ones are spanning this direction, and these ones are spanning this direction. Now, if you want to put a piece of blocking or something in here, again, you can maybe grab this 1 by 14 space bar, show some blocking or something in between there. It's up to you right where that load-bearing wall is. Actually, we went with non-load bearing. It's a beam, and these are trusses. So working our way up here, now we need a 2 by 6. So we say, okay, let's grab a 2 by 6 in section. Okay, space bar, place it. Now I'm going to basically walk around the building placing 2 by 6s. Space bar, space bar. Okay, click. Now that didn't go. Try it again. Click. Okay, now when you go to place this next one, you have to be careful. Sometimes when you click, it doesn't go. You see I'm picking and it's not putting it in. You have to go up here and then you hit tab. Bink, then it'll work. Don't ask me why. So here, spacebar, place it. Okay, if you go to place another one, sometimes it won't do it. So you have to hit your tab key. Tab, click. Now, I don't know if you need a double plate there or not. And then that basically ends up becoming your top plate in your girder truss at the end, or your gable truss. Tab, click, however you want to detail that. So really what we're doing at this point is we're just crawling along. Now I need a 2 by 4. In fact, I need some sort of 2 by 5 by the looks of it, because neither one of these, I need a steel stud is what I need. Okay, just because we mixed it up a bit, let's load one. Let's save our project. And what's the distance here? Let's do a modify. Let's measure here. We need something that's exactly 4 inches. Okay, so let's go insert. Let's load family. Let's go to metals, detail components, and then metals right here. Steel joist, steel decking, cold steel, metal studs framing. Okay, C studs section. That's about what we need. Hit OK. And what do we get? Let's go see where it is. C stud section. What do we have? We do. It came with a 4 inch, so we go down here, we tab and pick. There's our steel stud. Zoom up. Tab, tab. Pick. Oh, it's not working. Spacebar, tab, pick. Okay. Up here, spacebar, spacebar, pick. If it doesn't let you pick it, that's when you use your tab key. Spacebar, spacebar. Escape, escape. Now, in fact, this should probably go up to there. Okay, and then what happens if we join these? Join this and this. Okay, these must be different priorities. So I could take all these walls and drag them all up to the underside of there. Oh, now I need to join. Join this with this. Oh, that's beyond. I see, that's not actually cutting that wall. Fair enough. So we've got our steel studs in there, and then we can continue on our merry way here by bringing more of those in. Now what's going on with this one? That is a different wall. Okay, what's that one got for width? If we pick on here, edit, 5.5. So this one we can go with the 2x6 nominal. Spacebar to rotate it around. Pick and place. Okay, pan down, spacebar, spacebar, place it. Okay, we can do anchor bolts and all kinds of stuff in there. We got our 1x12 there. What's this one? This one is a 2x6 wall, exterior, going up. We might have a break here depending on how they frame this. Tab to pick it, tab to pick, place it, and up we go. You can form your headers if you cut above a window or door. Escape, escape. Okay, so then we might want to throw some insulation or something in here. Okay, so we can go up to our annotate. This is where all of our good detailing stuff is. If you want to add, I'm dragging these off of here because I find it's easier, but you can also go in and say detail component, and then you can pick them off of this pick list. But I find it's easier to just drag them in from here. On our annotate tab, we have insulation. All you have to do is set the width of it. So I'll set this to be about 5 inches because our wall's 5.5. And then if I drag in, up, and then pick, and then start again, up to the underside of there. So insulation is a no-brainer. We can put another one in there. Panning down, pick. Now we want to maybe change our thickness to be, 10 inches or something like that. Actually, that won't be enough. Let's go 12 inches, and then, you've got some insulation maybe coming in there, depending on your climate. Now this one needs to be moved a bit. Let's align to here this guy, and align to here this guy. Then I can draw another piece of insulation, and it remembers the last width factor. Draw that in there. Okay.